Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Yo, I have been here since 7:45. Yeah, 7:45, and right now it's 8:40, and I just received an order right now. So it's been a whole hour. So my first order, $25, going 7 miles, and I'm dropping 3 drop-off. My pickup time is 8:55, so let's sit here and wait for our pickup time. Dropped my first order over there. So let's go to our next order. Second drop off. Here we go. At Grace Point Church. Let's go deliver. I'm gonna leave it over there. Second drop off, I dropped it over there. So let's go on our last drop off. Let's go on our last drop off. Right, last drop off. So let's go back at Walmart. Yo, today in the morning, y'all, from 7, let's say 8, from 8 to 11. Oh my God, I only did one order, y'all. I only did one order. So finally, after 3 hours of waiting, I received an order, $18. It's a shopping order. I'm going to shop for only 7 items, y'all. And it's going 7 miles. Yep, 3 hours sitting. I almost went home, but I was like, you know what? If I go home, I am going to sit and watch TV. So let me just stay here. And wait for an order, which I did, and I finally have an order. I tried to turn Uber Eats on. There's nothing was coming in, only trash. I tried to open DoorDash. I couldn't get in. Yo, it was too much. It was a lot. So let's go in and shop this order right quick. Oh, I just received another order after that one. I didn't show you guys shopping for it, but I received another order, $17. It's going 2 miles. And I'm going to shop for 15 items. So let's go. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. Let me turn off this. It's making noise. Oh my gosh. I just received the best order. It's $2.51 right now. $2.51. Yo, $59 for 3 drop off. It's going 6 miles. Let me not talk much until they bring the order. Let me not say much until I see ready on my order. That's when I'm gonna be overjoyed, like very happy, you know? Let me not talk much. Oh my God, you guys, the order is ready. So it's my pickup time now, and I just start my order and this show is ready. Oh my God. Yo, imagine being slow for the whole entire day and you just received this big order. Oh my gosh. It's gonna help me to jump on 100 something. Yo, I was just on $61, you guys, from in the morning to 2. Right now it's 2.55, like almost 3. Yo, I was just on $61. So if I add this new order to my I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so happy. I was aiming to go home with $100 today after how it was super slow throughout the whole entire day. But I'm just on 121 right now. Oh my God. I'm so happy. You guys, I'm so happy. I'm serious. I am serious, you guys. I'm so happy. So happy. Thank God. So this $59 is going to replace all those hours, those 3 hours that I sat here without no order. They bring my order? Yo, my second drop off. This is when you wish that you have a wagon, y'all. Oh my gosh. But thankfully, I'm just dropping it over there. It's not far from the car. So we good. It has 3 cases of water, y'all. 3 cases of water. But let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that car. Third drop off. Let's go back at Walmart. Let's go back at Walmart. Is that a dog? Oh, look. Yo, that was a very big dog. I had to run, yo. I had to stop recording and run into my car. Sure. And that was a big dog too. That was a big dog. My chest. My chest. Yo, my gosh. That was a big dog. Watch your surroundings. I'm shaking right now. I'm shaking, yo. I'm shaking. I was looking at me like, come back, come back. I received another order, $26. It was for 6 miles within 3 drop-offs. So this is the last drop-off that I'm about to drop. So let's go drop and go back at Walmart. Yo, look at that. What's going on today with dogs, y'all? So I was delivering that. I took my first round, so I was coming back to get another round, and I saw that dog from nowhere, and I just dropped everything there and I ran to my car, and it was running after me, y'all. So I don't know what's going on today. I'm seeing dogs everywhere, and so I decided to call the customer, and I told her what happened, and she said, that's fine, just leave it over there, we will come get it. So let's go back. Yo, I just received another order, and it's $33, you guys, and it's going 90 miles, and I'm shopping for 17 items. 17 items. I am buying gas right now.
Hey Google, find me an alternate route. Because you decide the outcome. In a must-win game. No,
I'm done.
Decide the outcome.
Yo, it's time to go home. It's time to go home. I can't believe, y'all. I can't believe what just happened today. I can't believe what just happened today, you guys. Oh my God. Yo. So, guess how much money that I just made today. Yo, I didn't know that I'm going to make this much money today. I didn't know. So I did a couple more orders I didn't show on camera. But yo, $214, y'all. $214. That's how much I made today. After giving up. About to go home. But I stick with it, and $214. Thank God. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys for watching. If you watched this video, if you watched the whole video, thank you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. And I am on 50. We need 15 more subscribers. Go ahead and subscribe. If you're watching me and haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.